Motorcycle Complete 125 cubic centimeters Bike Tuning Guide, Step by Step, Small Blue Diamond. Step 1, Preparation. Park the bike on the center stand on a flat surface. Let the engine cool down if it was recently running. Gather your tools. Wrench 10 mm, 12 mm, 14 mm spanners, spark plug wrench, screwdrivers, cleaning brush, carb cleaner, oil can, and air filter oil. Small Blue Diamond. Step 2, Air filter cleaning or replacement. Remove the side cover and open the air filter box. Take out the air filter element, foam or paper type. If it's foam, wash it with petrol or soapy water, dry it, and lightly oil it. If it's paper, just blow it with air pressure or replace it if dirty. Brain clean air filter equals better engine breathing equals improved pickup and mileage. Small Blue Diamond. Step 3, Spark plug inspection and setting. Remove the spark plug using the plug spanner. Check the plug tip color. Light brown equals perfect. Black equals rich fuel mixture. White equals lean mixture. Clean the plug with a wire brush. Adjust the gap between electrodes, usually 0.7 to 0.8 mm. Refit it carefully and tighten it moderately. Small Blue Diamond. Step 4, Carburetor cleaning and adjustment. Remove the carburetor and open the float bowl. Clean the main jet and pilot jet with carb cleaner and air pressure. Reinstall the carburetor. Start the engine and adjust the air-fuel mixture screw. Turn it fully in, clockwise, gently, then back out 1.5 turns. Start engine and fine-tune until the idle sound is smooth and steady. Adjust the idle speed screw, throttle stop, so the bike idles at about 1,200 revolutions per minute. Small Blue Diamond. Step 5, Engine oil change. Warm the engine for 2 minutes. Remove the drain bolt at the bottom of the engine. Let all old oil drain out. Reinstall the bolt and pour fresh engine oil, usually 700 ml to 800 ml for 125 cubic centimeters. Recommended, Atlas Honda Genuine 20W40 or Yamaha Lube 20W50. Small Blue Diamond. Step 6, Chain, brakes and nut bolt tightening. Clean the chain with kerosene and brush it. Lubricate it with chain oil or spray. Adjust the chain slack, about 1 inch movement. Check and adjust brake levers and clutch cable tension. Tighten all nuts, bolts, and handlebar clamps. Small Blue Diamond. Step 7, Final check and test ride. Start the bike, let it idle smoothly. Rev it gently, the throttle response should be instant. Listen for any unusual sounds, knocking or vibration. Take a short test ride to ensure proper gear shifting and pickup. Gear tuning benefits. White heavy checkmark smoother acceleration. White heavy checkmark improved fuel efficiency. White heavy checkmark engine runs cooler and cleaner. White heavy checkmark longer engine life.